We've just acquired this Lexus RX 450 hybrid. It's a one owner from new with Lexus service history. It's outstanding condition. It's got a host of extras on the vehicle. Absolutely stunning alloy wheels. It's got park distance control and reverse camera. It's got an electric tailgate. As you can see, the boot is in stunning condition. It's got the tannoy cover. No scuffs or marks on the car. He's absolutely stunning. It in no way reflects its age or mileage. Nice blinds here. Some protection glass to the rear. Got obviously electric windows, electric mirrors, power fold mirrors, electric memory seats, full leather seats. Absolutely nowhere. It's beautiful. Got the Mark Levinson speaker system. Got a heads-up display, electric tailgate, automatic headlights. It's full 360-degree surround camera, heated steering wheel, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, Bluetooth for phone and music connectivity, cooled seats, heated seats, different ways of driving it in your four-wheel drive system. Absolutely unmarked. Electric memory seats to the passenger as well. Got the panoramic tilt side sunroof. Drives absolutely superb, as you would expect being a Lexus. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities, including finance packages, warranty packages and drive away insurance if applicable. If you're interested in this vehicle, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.